champion, Jorge Lorenzo. Would you please come and Thank you very, very much for coming here today. I know he has an incredibly busy schedule. So many people want to see him. What a year this man has had. World champion, but the amount of points he gained this year was phenomenal. Thank you very much indeed to the Black Horse ladies for bringing you out here. A little bit about the season. It's something you started out, I guess, as a hobby, and you achieved what you always look forward to.
Hello, good morning everyone. I'm very happy to be here with you guys. And you know that this season has been incredible. Almost perfect. We won a lot of races. We make always. We have been almost always on the podium. So I can't ask for anything more.
9 wins and the podium's all but 2 for 18 races. It was quite incredible. A big round of applause. I think it's King George the 99th actually, but welcome here to Motorcycle Live. It's great. A little bit about the helmet. This is actually the helmet you wore in Valencia.
Yes, the helmet we use in Valencia because X-lite wanted to give me a present for all the season. So we invited this helmet, gold outside, and also with some Swarovski crystal, 1,800 Swarovskis. So it's very, very beautiful from outside. It's very brilliant, and you know, it's a little expensive. This is the truth.
It is available if you like to go to the X-lite stand over there. You can actually order one of these. 10,000 euros. You have to put down a 2,000 euro deposit, but this one actually belongs to you. This is going in your house.
Yes, this is the only piece I will have. So we are going to make replicas. It's a little bit expensive, but if you buy it, you really have a unique helmet and a very special helmet.
And don't fall off if you buy it. Jorge, would you please step forward here to launch Motorcycle Live, the Nash Motorcycle Live event. Your helmet is the starter button to open the show. Just stand here. In a minute, I'm going to ask you to press it, and then we will open the show officially. Thank you very much indeed. Hands on helmet. 3, 2, 1. Press the helmet, and we open. The show is now officially open, and a big round of applause. Thank you very, very much indeed. Now, I can tell you, Jorge has a very busy schedule. He's already done an interview for BBC Radio 5 this morning. We interrupted his breakfast for that. He will be on the X-lite stand at 11:45, which is over there, the big truck over that side. He's coming back here at 1:30 for Question and Bite, which is a great quiz show, joining Randy Depunier, Bradley Smith, Cal Crutchlow, all back here at 1:30. Then after that, I'll be having a right good chat with Jorge about the season, some of the events of the whole year. Meanwhile, another round of applause. Jorge is a very busy man. X-lite stand, 11:45, you can find us. Thank you very much indeed.